Hi friends, look what I have. It's a box from Peaches of a Goddess. So let's peek inside and see what we have. Wait a minute. I forgot that she likes to wrap her stuff really good and wrapped. So I'm probably going to have to unwrap stuff. But anyway, there is her logo. I love the holographic sticker. And oh look, it's little confettis. Normally I'd be like, yay, but today I'm on pain meds. Alright, so this is the card that she always includes with her shipments. Sorry, a little thank you card. And information about and instructions on how to use each one. Here is my invoice or my packing list. It is a packing list. At least I can tell you what I got. Alright, let's see. Oh, always great samples. Look at little macaroon. This is a little lip butter. How cute is that? My granddaughter likes little macaroons. And she also likes lip butter, I think, so this might get stole or given away. Who knows? I wear lipstick. Incessant. Oh, look at us! It's candy! And soap sample. And I love, let me say, I love her soaps. This is Sprite. Scented in Sprite. I love her soap. Love, love, love. Alright, now I'm going to have to get back to you once I unwrap this stuff because I'm working literally like one broken arm and the other arm holding the camera. I'll be right back. So I am back. If you hear any background noise, sorry. I have company. All right. So the first one that I have, is Angel Heart Bath Bomb. I believe this one, I'm sorry. I believe this one was on sale. Ouch, 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 and lovely. It's scented in Sweet Grace. I believe this was on sale, but as usual, if I'll try to put the prices either in the video or the bottom description of the video. And then we have ramen noodles. This thing is kind of hefty. And this is scented in Sweet Orange Chili Pepper. I mean, not necessarily my favorite scent, but I had to have it because, come on, and you could have, you know, always with Peaches of a Goddess, you can always see on the edges that there's going to be color coming through pretty quickly. Then I got this Easter Sunday bubble bar. This was on super clearance. This was, I won't lie and tell you how much it was, but maybe it was like $3 maybe. And this is vanilla pineapple margarita and raspberry jam. And look, it's so cute. All right. Then we have, this was like a, almost like a food release. This is this taco and peach mango salsa. I cannot wait to smell this one. And then finally, oh God, the little burger, how cute is it? This is the cheeseburger scented iced coconut and colada, iced coconut colada and cola. How cute is it? I love the size of these bath bombs because I don't need something huge. So I like when they're smaller. Don't take too long to dissolve in my tub. There again, you can see the color show is going to be pretty quick. All right, pretty immediate. All right, so we have the cheeseburger. We have the taco. Look at that, embed right on the edge. We have the spice, not spice, the ramen noodles. And the Easter Sunday bubble bar. And then we had this, what was it called? Angel Heart. Look at all the colors going to be hitting my tub immediately. I love that. And then also we had little, did I make it? I guess I must have made it. I think that she was giving these out free to a certain amount of first orders or something like that. I don't remember, something like that. And if so, then I made it in. Pearl infused lip butter. Cool. And then another sample of, I'm telling you, if you guys haven't tried her lip soap, it is the most decadent soap ever. I love it. And then some candy. What do we have in there? We have a little, I love gummies. You will never waste a gummy if you send me a gummy. You send me chocolate, I might have to give that away to one of my granddaughters. But gummies, I'm going to chomp them down before the video's over most of the time. But I don't have enough hands. Oh, there's another little sample there. I think it's a little lotion sample. Yes, Hawaiian strawberry ambrosia. Oh, that sounds good. Alright guys, that's it for Peaches of a Goddess. And I'm sorry, I was a little distracted by the website. I thought it was peachesofagagoddess.com, but I guess it's Lux Peaches. Alright guys, I will talk to you guys on the next one.